What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do a neutral look for my day. You guys ready? Let's go. There you have it, you guys, my neutral look for this fine Tuesday. Leave your comments down below if you have any questions. Ask them below. If you have any questions about any of the brushes and the cosmetics that I've used, leave your comments down below. Leave your questions down below. But let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!